Welcome to our class on blockchain technology. In this class, we will learn about the basics of blockchain, its applications, and how it works. Part 1. Introduction to blockchain technology. Blockchain is a distributed ledger technology that allows multiple parties to record, verify, and share data in a secure and transparent manner. It was originally developed for the digital currency Bitcoin but has since found many other applications in various industries. Blockchain is built on a decentralized network of computers, where each node in the network maintains a copy of the ledger. This makes it virtually impossible to hack or tamper with the data stored in the blockchain. Part 2. How blockchain works. Blockchain uses advanced cryptography to secure the data stored on the ledger. When a transaction is made, it is broadcast to the network of nodes. Each node verifies the transaction using a consensus mechanism, such as proof of work, POW, or proof of stake, polonium-2 sulfide. Once the transaction is verified, it is added to the blockchain as a block, along with other transactions. The blocks are linked together in a chronological chain, hence the name, blockchain. Each block contains a unique code called a hash, which is generated using complex mathematical algorithms. The hash of each block includes the hash of the previous block, which creates a secure and tamper-proof chain of blocks. Part 3. Applications of blockchain technology. Blockchain technology has many applications, including digital currency. The most famous application of blockchain technology is digital currency, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Supply chain management. Blockchain can be used to track goods and services along the supply chain, ensuring that they are produced sustainably and ethically. Healthcare. Blockchain can be used to maintain a secure and transparent system for storing and sharing medical records. Voting. Blockchain can be used to create a transparent and secure voting system, reducing the potential for fraud. Part 4. Advantages of blockchain technology. There are several advantages of blockchain technology, including decentralization. Blockchain is a decentralized system, which means that there is no need for a central authority to verify transactions. This makes the system more secure and less prone to hacking and fraud. Transparency. Blockchain provides a transparent system for recording and verifying transactions. This means that all parties can see the data and verify its accuracy, which helps to build trust. Security. Blockchain uses advanced cryptography to secure the data stored on the ledger. This makes it virtually impossible to hack or tamper with the data. Efficiency. Blockchain transactions are processed quickly and efficiently, which reduces the time and cost of doing business. Part 5. Challenges of blockchain technology. Despite its many benefits, blockchain technology also faces several challenges that need to be addressed for its successful implementation. These include scalability. Blockchain technology is still in its early stages, and it currently lacks the scalability needed to handle large volumes of transactions. Interoperability. Different blockchain systems may not be compatible with each other, which makes it difficult to create a seamless network. Regulatory challenges. Blockchain technology is still largely unregulated, and there are concerns about its legality and potential for abuse. Energy consumption. Blockchain technology requires a significant amount of energy to maintain the network, which can be a barrier to its widespread adoption. Conclusion. In conclusion, blockchain technology is a revolutionary technology that has the potential to transform several industries. Its decentralized and transparent nature makes it ideal for use cases where trust and security are paramount. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see more innovative solutions and applications of blockchain technology in various industries. How to make money with blockchain. There are several ways to make money with blockchain, and here are some of the most common methods. Investing in cryptocurrencies. Investing in cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin is one of the most popular ways to make money with blockchain. You can buy and hold these cryptocurrencies and wait for their value to increase, or you can trade them on crypto exchanges. Trading cryptocurrencies. You can make money by trading cryptocurrencies, just like any other commodity. You can use technical analysis tools and strategies to predict the price movements of cryptocurrencies and make trades accordingly. Mining cryptocurrencies. Mining is the process of verifying transactions on a blockchain network and adding new blocks to the blockchain. Miners receive rewards in the form of new cryptocurrencies for their work. However, mining requires specialized equipment and a significant amount of energy, making it difficult for individuals to do profitably. Developing blockchain-based solutions. If you have a background in software development, you can make money by developing blockchain-based solutions for businesses and individuals. You can develop decentralized applications, DApps, smart contracts, or other blockchain-based solutions for clients. Participating in initial coin offerings, ICOs. ICOs are a way for blockchain-based startups to raise funds by offering their own cryptocurrencies to investors. If you can identify promising ICOs and invest in them early, you can potentially make a significant return on your investment. Staking cryptocurrencies. Staking is a process where you hold cryptocurrencies in a wallet and contribute to the network by validating transactions. In return, you receive rewards in the form of new cryptocurrencies. In conclusion, making money with blockchain requires knowledge, skills, and patience. You need to do your research, understand the risks, and be willing to learn and adapt as the blockchain industry evolves. Conclusion. In conclusion, blockchain technology is a revolutionary technology that has the potential to transform several industries. Its decentralized and transparent nature makes it ideal for use cases where trust and security are paramount. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see more innovative solutions and applications of blockchain technology in various industries.